I just had active pressure washing, cleaned my driveway and solar panels, and honestly, I'm so impressed with the result. The driveway looks brand new again. All the dirt and stains are completely gone, and the solar panels are completely sparkling. The team showed up right on time, super friendly, explained everything before they started. What's more, they worked efficiently, left everything spotless, no mess at all. It's honestly one of those jobs you don't realize makes such a big difference until you see it done. I definitely recommend them to anyone in Melbourne.